Hello, everybody. Welcome to this channel. Meta opens the big model of Llama-san. Llama-san can also be used for writing and office work. Ask about astronomy and geography, write code and so on. The parameters of these large models reach more than 8 billion to 70 billion. Free for everyone to use, and more importantly, relative and online application. It can be installed and used locally on your computer. Better privacy. A computer with a low configuration also have the opportunity to use. Then what's next? I will explain it to you in detail. How to use it online and install it locally for free. Enter in the browser. You can see the online version of the user interface. Everyone should pay attention. To use the online version, there are two basic requirements. First, you must register a Facebook account before you can log in. The second question, maybe at present, the web version may only be open to certain regions. For example, the United States. You can do something about this yourself. We can have a look at this interface. The first function is create a travel packing list. The second one is make my email sound more professional. Third, play music trivia from the Eai-008. The fourth one is to help me with my homework, and the fifth one is a mock interview. The sixth is to draw New York with watercolor pens. About the sixth function, I can guess, this should be used to generate pictures. Let's take a look at the upper left corner. The upper left corner also has several functions. The first one is the most important, is to establish a new dialogue. Next, let's use his function of generating pictures. You can see that it has several basic images. Now let's enter some hints of our own. The meaning of the text is, a kitten was abandoned on a piece of ice. There are broken ice everywhere. Take a look at how it produces pictures. Done. You can see a delicate and touching kitten abandoned on an ice cube. Let's take a look at the effect of this image. Very delicate. So, next, in order to experience how strong is his creative ability, let's add a little difficulty to this hint. For example, we hope a Mimi in a red wallet coat travel in a bustling big city. Very good. Hey, this one is more like it. It's an anthropomorphic cat. So, next, I'll teach you how to access the local computer, install this Llama-san model. We need to open this website first. Download this LM Studio software. Download according to the operating system of the computer you use. Then I downloaded this version of 4 window. Double-click the installer. It will be installed automatically. After the installation, you can have a look at this panel. Search Llama-san here in the middle. Look at the results. Hey, if you make this mistake, everyone can input by another way. Input 70B. Okay. It's out, and you can see it. There are many model series. On the left is the main model series. On the right is the sub-model series. Then we can go from the left. Choose this one. Most downloaded. At this time, there are many sub-models about it on the right. These are models with 70 billion parameters. Then everyone should pay attention. The bigger it is, of course, the stronger the performance. The red label means it runs more than your computer is configured. The representation of the blue label may also. If you have a green label here, indicates that the model is on your computer. Can run very easily. Then according to your own actual situation, to download the corresponding model, select Download on the far right. Click the lower left corner. This model will be downloaded. If you download it, you can find the downloaded model file here. I downloaded to 70B, 700 billion parameters. One is blue label. The other one is red labeled. You can see the running effect later. I also downloaded 8B, 8 billion parameter models. I'll teach you how to download it later. Let me tell you first, where is the downloaded model? Select the AI chat on the left. Click the Select a Model to Load button. Here, it will display all the models you have downloaded. If you click on a model, right-hand button, then select this Show in File Explorer. It can also displays the model file you selected. The file path where is located. What about here? I downloaded to 70 billion models. Also downloaded A8B, 80 billion model. So the way to download, that's still the same. The input just now is 70B. 70B, which is 70 billion parameters. This 8B is 8 billion parameters. You enter 8B in the top text box. We can see there are many main model series about 8B parameters above. We choose to download more. All the sub-series on the right have green labels. It means that for your computer, running should be relatively easy. You can choose one to download here. I see it here. I downloaded Q51 Gov 6.07 GB before. So, how do we use this LM Studio software? What about loading these big models for AI conversations? Select AI chat on the left. Select a model to load. Select a model. First, select the model with 6.07 GB, 8B and 8 billion parameters. We can use the AI dialog and enter the content. Please help me use Chinese. Analyze it. How to make cherries grow big and good. See if he can answer. Everyone should pay attention. In the process of its generation, you can have a look. Work Manager in the background. The usage of this memory. If you find this memory, the dosage exceeds 80%. It means the current model has a very large amount of operation. Now I'm using a model with 8B and 8 billion parameters. Its current running capacity for my total memory of 30 GB, it's about 55%. If you load a large model with 70B and 70 billion parameters, the larger the amount of data, the larger the volume, the larger its operating footprint is. Apricot is a common fruit tree in China. The results of his answer were introduced in detail, but I hope he will answer in Chinese. But now, he answered in English. His answer is also a bit slow, so how to improve his reaction speed? On the right side of this interface, pull down. See a hardware settings option. There is a number sheet to the right of GPU offload. Adjust the usage of GPU lines. Leave the rest to memory and CPU. The higher the value, the larger the proportion of GPU. You can use max. Everyone should pay attention. Your model is a green label. You can choose max like this. If it is a red label or a blue label, try not to choose max. Its GPU memory consumption is quite large. May cause memory crash. So we are now. Because it is a model with 8 billion parameters, you can set it to max to have a look. Look at the effect of his speed increase. We still enter the same question. Let me change it. Please help me analyze it in Chinese. And answer in Chinese. As you can see, after selecting max answer, the reaction speed is very fast. Let's see what the occupancy rate is. It's still 53%. Then what's next? With the max setting unchanged, we try to use another model. Use this 70B 700 billion parameter model with 15.34 GB instead. See how he reacts. There was an error. How can we run the model with 70B 770 billion parameters normally? You have to turn this max down. Change it to 6. Then choose this 70B 70 billion parameter model with 15.34 GB. He will load it successfully in no time. In the process of loading, you can have a look. Occupancy of memory. Do you see it? Has reached 78%. Very high throughput. At present, ask him the same question. Take a look at his answer effect and reaction speed. As you can see, the speed is very slow. He can also answer. So the configuration of the computer, it is also a very important parameter in the era of AI. See if its answer is the same. Is a little different. 70 billion model and 8B model data. Because the amount of training data is different, the amount of information is different. His answer is also different. If I choose max again, ask AI to answer my question again, the same mistake will occur. Therefore, according to the performance of your computer, choose a suitable model, then select the appropriate GPU line. You can call these models well to use them. You can also use a third-party software called January to operate this Llama-3 model. Enter this URL Meta.AI in the browser. You can download it according to your own operating system. So I'm here for Windows. Just click download directly. Double-click the installer. It will be installed automatically. Where is its root directory? In this place. It's under the name of your computer. There is a models folder in Jan's root directory. Also to put the model, you took it from other places. Downloaded model file. Just put it under this folder. For example, this 8B to 88 billion model. All you have to do is restart Jan software. In this place in the lower right corner of his interface, you can choose your relevant model. Establish a new chat again. Just have a dialogue with AI. If it pops up a warning, you must install this CUDA to operate it. You can enter this website. This is a software provided by a famous graphics card and card. Next, select the corresponding system. I am the Windows system, x8664. I have Win11 system here. Option 11. Select EXE, local, running locally. The size of CUDA is about 10 GB. Download and install it. Let's close this Jan and reopen it. Enter the same question again. Ask him to answer in Chinese. What changes have taken place in this world economy? It can answer our questions. Please reply to me in Chinese. So today, I showed you. Use software, LM Studio and Jan. Use Llama-3 model on your own computer. For local use, there will be more protection in privacy. If everyone want to learn more AI, knowledge of science and technology, you can like it first and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all.